Good afternoon students. Today we are going to do the question from the exercise 13.4 of the chapter surface area and volume. This exercise contains the question from the sphere and hemisphere. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 cm. Now in this we have to find the surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere. And the formula for surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. That is 4 into 22 upon 7 into r, that is 10.5 into 10.5. So we'll solve this, cancel, this will become 1.5. So 4 into 22 into 1.5 into 10.5 centimeter is equals to 1386 centimeter square. So the surface area of sphere is 1386 centimeter square. Now let us solve the question number second. Find the surface area of sphere of diameter 3.5 meter. Here the diameter is given 3.5 meter, so the radius will become 3.5 upon 2 meter, and we have to find the surface area of sphere. So we will take surface area of sphere, and we know the formula, and that is equals to 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 upon 7 into r. R is 3.5 upon 2. 3.5 upon 2 into 3.5 upon 2. Now we'll cancel 2 ones are 2, and this again will cancel this. Now we have 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. This also we can cancel, make it 0.5. So 22 into 0.5 is 11, and 11 into 3.5 is 38.5 meter square. So the surface area of sphere is 38.5 meters square. Now let us take the question number third of this exercise. Find the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 cm, and we have to take the value of pi equals 3.14. This is a hemisphere, and the curved surface area we know it is 2 pi r square, and the surface area of this part is pi r square. So pi r square plus 2 pi r square is 3 pi r square. So total surface area of hemisphere is given by the formula 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. So let us solve this. 3 into pi, the value of pi is 3.14 into 10 into 10. So when we will solve it, 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10, that will be equals to 942 centimeter square. So the total surface area of hemisphere is 942 centimeter square. Now let us solve the question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in the two cases. Now in this question it is given there is a balloon having the radius 7 centimeter, and the air is pumped into it, so it becomes bigger in size, having the radius 14 centimeter. And we have to find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in the two cases. So ratio of surface area of two balloons will be given by the formula, that is 4 pi small r square, that is the surface area of the smaller balloon, and 4 pi capital R square, that is the surface area of the bigger balloon. Now this cancel, 4 will cancel, pi will cancel, small r is 7, so it becomes 7 into 7 upon bigger r is 14 centimeter, so 14 into 14. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Here also same thing. So 1 into 1, that is 1, and 2 2 is 4. So the ratio is 1:4. So the ratio of the smaller and the bigger balloon is 1:4. Now let us solve the question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. In the question it is given a hemispherical bowl is to be tin plated. So this is made up of brass. We have to do the tin plating inside. So we have to find the inner curved surface area. And what is the radius given in the question? The radius is given, that is diameter is 10.5, so radius will become 10.5 upon 2 centimeter. That is equals to 5.25, but we are keeping it as such, 10.5 upon 2 centimeter. Now area to be tin plated. Area to be tin plated, that will be equals to the curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere. Hemispherical, we can say bowl, and that is given by the formula 2 pi r square. So let us solve this. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, that is 10.5 upon 2, 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2. This will cancel. 2 11s will cancel this. That will become 1.5. So 11 into 1.5 into 10.5, when we will solve it, we will get 173.25 centimeter square. So this is the area to be tin plated. Now we have to find the cost. So cost of tin plating, in the question it is given 100 centimeter square is rupees 16. So cost of tin plating 1 centimeter square will be equals to rupees 16 upon 100, but we have to tin plate 173.25 centimeter square. So cost of tin plating 173.25 centimeter square will be equals to rupees 16 upon 100 into 173.25. So when we'll solve this, we'll get the answer, that is rupees 27.72. So 27.72 rupees will be required to tin plate the inner surface area of the hemispherical bowl.